What are you doing, Nicholas?
Making one.
Making what?
Snowman.
A snowman? Don't fall down. Don't throw that at me.
Why?
Don't you dare.
Why?
Don't you dare. Should we go show the video your snowman?
What?
Okay, walk over to your snowman. Let's go see them.
Why?
I'll take a video of them.
No.
Yeah. Look. Hey!
You take this one.
Oh, are they ever nice? Go stand with your snowman.
What?
Go say hello to your snowman
Why?
for the video.
Hello, snowman.
Which one? Is that you?
Yeah.
And who's the other pretty one?
Aiden.
Oh, very nice.
It.
Don't eat his nose.
Why?
Say Happy New Year.